Are you looking to start a YouTube channel without showing your face? You're not alone. Faceless channels are becoming more popular and successful. In this video, we will cover 30 different ideas for faceless YouTube channels that you can start today. Tutorials are a great way to teach without being on camera. Whether it is tech tutorials, how-to guides, or app walkthroughs, you can screen record or use animations. Help viewers learn new languages using voiceovers and on-screen text or animations, perfect for faceless content. Bring history to life by narrating historical events using visuals like images, maps, and animations. Break down complex scientific concepts with animations or illustrations. No face necessary, just great visuals. Summarize popular books or dive into key takeaways using visuals like book covers, quotes, and text animations. Review movies or analyze scenes, characters, and plots using clips or images from the films. You don't have to be on camera. Let the visuals do the talking. Everyone loves a good top 10 list. From movies to games to anything trending. Use stock footages, photos, or clips. No need to show your face. ASMR channels are all about sounds. Whether it is cooking, typing, or tapping, set up a mic and let the sounds take over. Create relaxing soundscapes or background music for studying, sleeping, or relaxing. You don't have to be seen, only heard. Bring stories to life through animation, whether it is short skits or full narratives. Your voice or text can guide the story. Post a daily or weekly motivational quotes with powerful visuals or stock footage, perfect for faceless channels. Share productivity hacks and tips using screen recordings, slides, or infographics. Create guided meditation videos with peaceful visuals or animations. You only need calming music and your voice. Demonstrate workout routines using animations or third-party footage without having to show yourself. Share investing strategies and financial advice with simple animations, charts, and voiceovers. Break down budgeting, saving, and financial planning through infographics and tutorials. Offer advice on how to start and grow a business using slide presentations or screen recordings. Educate your audience on cryptocurrency with visual guides, charts, and narrated explanations. Give real estate tips like market analysis and property investment strategies with images, charts, and text. Review the latest gadgets and technology with product footage, hand-on demos, or unboxings. Review and explain the functionality of popular apps using screen recordings. Create detailed guides on how to use different gadgets with screen recordings, diagrams, and hand-on demonstrations. Record gameplay and provide commentary or tips. You don't need to show your face, just the game and your voice. Deliver the latest tech news with graphics and text over images of tech products. You don't need to show your face to cook. Just focus on the food and use close-ups to demonstrate your recipes. Teach your audience how to garden using video clips of plants and gardens.